Hey guys, this is Rituraj here. And guys, nice to meet you and welcome back to the another episode of CE. So guys, today in this video we are going to modify this car Maruti Suzuki Swift LXI 2 VXI top model. And guys, this video will be very long, so I am going to divide this video into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So guys, today you are going to see the part 1 and the part 2 will be in the next. So guys, without wasting time, let's begin the video. Guys, in this video you are going to see the complete modification. Guys, here starting from the front you are going to see that here is the ZXi top model headlamps, and I am going to see it to you by switching on the DRL. Guys, here you can see after switching on the DRL the car look is enhanced so much and it is looking so much of beautiful. Guys, it is a fully genuine product. And guys, there are many types of other designs, but the owner of this car choose this, and guys, it has been fitted in this car. Here you can see that the headlamp and fog lamp, it is so much beautiful, and guys, it has enhanced the car's look very much. And guys, it is fully genuine product. So guys, here you can see that the LED has been upgraded, and after upgrading the LED the car look is increased so much and it is looking so much of beautiful. Here you can see that the work is going on, and now let's go to the alloy wheels. The alloy wheels has been put in sports and the tire size is 2254 R17. Guys, here you can see that the work of auto folding mirrors have been going on. Here the top model auto folding mirrors will be put on in it, and it will be auto foldable and adjustable from inside. And guys, the work is going on. Guys, now let's come to the back profile of the car, and guys, here you can see that the two headlamps, different types of headlamps. This is the Mercedes headlamps and this is the Mini Cooper headlamps. Guys, this is the aftermarket headlamp. Here you can see that the old headlamps of this car, this is the genuine headlamps of the Maruti Suzuki. Guys, the owner has chosen the Mini Cooper type of headlamps and it is looking so much beautiful, and if you can also install the Mercedes also. And guys, here you can see that the comparison between these two headlamps. Guys, now let's come to the interior of the car. In the interior of the car, no work has been completed, and I will see it to you when the work will be completed. And guys, if I say for damping, that in here is 2-layer damping has been done, and they are come in many types of companies. You can choose on your own. And guys, here you can see that the power windows of the top model, in these windows they are adjustable from inside. There is also the center locking process is here. And guys, now here you can see that the flip key of this car, this is the flip key of this car. This is the fully genuine product. It's comparable to this old key of this car. It is looking awesome. Guys, this is the old key of the car that has been given from the Maruti Suzuki, and guys, it gives the key a premium look. Guys, the work of damping and the audio system is going on, and guys, here you can see that the audio of this car speaker is JBL basic series that comes, and the audio system has been upgraded here, and it will be changed into the Android stereo of the car. And guys, after the work will be completed and I will see it to you. And guys, it is all for today. I will meet you at the part 2, and till then, bye bye, and please like my this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss updates, and please stay safe and take care.